everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Timisoara, Romania. But I wanted to talk about something different. You know, you all know that I do travel videos, but did you know I write too? And so sometimes I'm just compelled to write stories, and they're just short stories or incidents that happen, or things that are probably not okay to film, or that are so spur of the moment that I can't film them, or whatever. But I tend to write them, and so I'm working on a book. And so the book, because I'm so ADHD, I can't really write a whole book. But what I found is that I can really write a bunch of short stories. And so I was thinking about that, and I was trying to figure out, well, how do I share my short stories with you? And so we're going to do exactly that. I'm going to put up a short story that I wrote of an incident that happened just like 2 days ago, from my train ride from Hungary to Romania. And it's kind of a crazy little story, but it's short and it's simple, because that's all I can really do. You know, if it gets too long-winded, then I'm just out of it. But anyway, so that's what this is going to be. This video is about peeing. Did he really say that? Yeah, he did. But anyway, so I'm gonna try to make this video, and it's really breaking the rules, right? Because YouTube is predominantly videos, and that's it. They don't do a lot of text or reading, but I'm going to produce a video that is reading, and so I'm going to share my story with you. And then I have another one that I did that I think is pretty amazing, and they're both short. They're, you know, if it takes you 3 minutes to read either one of them, it's probably too long. But anyway, so here's my story. Let me share it with you.